Ancient African tech that was centuries ahead of its time, the Gnocchi culture's ironwork. The Gnocchi culture of West Africa, flourishing from 1000 BCE, was one of the earliest societies to master iron smelting. Their ability to forge durable tools and weapons transformed agriculture and defense. They pioneered furnaces capable of reaching immense temperatures, allowing mass production of iron tools that supported population growth and trade. This technological leap created a legacy that influenced empires such as Ghana and Mali. The Great Zimbabwe Complex. In southern Africa, the Great Zimbabwe Complex stands as an architectural marvel. Built between the 11th and 15th centuries, these dry stone walls, constructed without mortar, defy logic with their precision and durability. The stone city functioned as a political and economic hub, showcasing advanced urban planning, with evidence of drainage systems and an understanding of structural engineering that kept these walls standing for centuries. The pyramids of the Kushite Kingdom. In Nubia, south of Egypt, the Kushite kingdom constructed over 200 pyramids. Unlike the massive Egyptian pyramids, the Nubian pyramids had a unique design with steep angles and smaller bases. These structures demonstrate precise geometry and astronomical alignment. They served as royal tombs and reflect the Kushites' mastery of monumental architecture, rivaling their northern neighbors in both scale and sophistication. Agricultural innovations in the Sahel. The Sahel region, a semi-arid belt of Africa, faced challenging climates, yet ancient African societies thrived through agricultural ingenuity. The Dogon people of Mali developed complex irrigation systems and terraced fields to optimize water use. These techniques not only prevented soil erosion, but ensured food security in a harsh environment. Their understanding of seasonal patterns and crop rotation set a benchmark for sustainable agriculture. Medical knowledge in ancient Egypt. The medical expertise of ancient Egyptians was centuries ahead of its time. They conducted brain surgeries, set broken bones, and even used prosthetics for amputees. Detailed medical texts like the Edwin Smith Papyrus reveal their knowledge of anatomy and surgical techniques. They also practiced early forms of pharmacology, using plants and minerals to treat ailments, many of which are still used in medicine today. The astronomical insights of Timbuktu. The ancient city of Timbuktu in Mali wasn't just a center of trade, it was a hub for intellectual and technological progress. Scholars of Timbuktu, through their manuscripts, documented advanced astronomical calculations, including precise predictions of lunar and solar eclipses. Their understanding of planetary orbits contributed to a broader comprehension of the cosmos long before similar advancements in Europe. Benin bronzes and metallurgy. The Benin Kingdom, located in present-day Nigeria, mastered lost wax casting techniques to create intricate bronze sculptures. These artifacts showcased extraordinary detail and craftsmanship. More than mere works of art, they served as historical records depicting battles, royalty, and ceremonies. The metallurgical techniques of Benin were so advanced that they astonished European explorers encountering them for the first time. The rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. In Ethiopia, the 12th century churches of Lalibela stand as a testament to architectural and engineering genius. These structures were carved downward from single rock formations, creating fully functional buildings with columns, arches, and detailed interiors. Designed as a symbolic New Jerusalem, the Lalibela churches demonstrate advanced planning, drainage systems, and structural stability, making them one of Africa's greatest architectural achievements. The Great Mosque of Djenné. The Great Mosque of Djenné in Mali, constructed in the 13th century, remains the largest mud brick structure in the world. This architectural marvel combines sustainability and functionality. Its unique design maintains cool temperatures in the sweltering heat, while annual community-led maintenance ensures its preservation. The mosque's structure showcases how ancient African architecture adapted to local environmental challenges. Maritime innovations of the Swahili Coast. The Swahili Coast was home to advanced maritime technology, with African sailors building dhow ships that navigated vast distances across the Indian Ocean. These vessels, characterized by their triangular sails, were instrumental in establishing trade routes connecting Africa to Arabia, India, and beyond. The Swahili people's navigational skills and shipbuilding techniques fostered an era of cultural and economic exchange that shaped global history.